Do you know about 80% of muscle is water? Whereas fat, only about 50%. Our blood is primarily water. And blood is responsible for transferring nutrients, oxygen, antibodies, and waste removal. The brain and the heart, 70 to 75% water. Lungs, 80% water. Bones are 30% water. It's like the chief. Maintenance of DNA. DNA is what makes us who we are. Without water, DNA doesn't work. And inside the cell is my favorite organelle, mitochondria. It's our energy source. Without water, our mitochondria doesn't give us energy. The lymphatic system is mostly water. Did you know we have 4 times more lymph than blood? You all know about the circulatory system. It's this vast network of vessels that goes all throughout our body. The blood goes through the circulatory system. But the lymphatic system is also this vast network that goes through our system. It's got 3 major functions. Number 1, it maintains fluid balance between our blood and our tissues. Number 2, it's a big part of our immune system. It fends off pathogens. And also, it absorbs the fat-soluble nutrients in our digestive system. Lymphatic system is key. Without water, it doesn't work, we don't work. Water also regulates body temperature. Water has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature rises abruptly. Say you step out of the sauna into the snow outside. The water will act as a buffer to all the cells in your body so they won't suddenly freeze. And here's something, when it gets really cold, this happens to me all the time. My hands and my feet get super cold. That's because your blood is taking all the heat from your extremities and ushering them towards your vital organs to keep them nice and warm. You know, like your heart, your lungs, your brain. But when it's hot, your blood ushers all the heat to your skin and releases it. Water also expels excess heat as water vapor through your lungs and your sweat. Your cerebral spinal fluid in your central nervous system, where your brain is all based in water. The US military did a study. A 1 to 2% drop in your baseline hydration level causes cognitive malfunctions. You're not thinking right. Our joints and our intervertebral discs are all in a water-based substance called synovial fluid. Now our discs are one of the last things in our body to get water because they're non-vascular. See, the water goes to your brain and your heart first. Then there's a hierarchy of needs. It trickles down till eventually those discs. Just think of water as the information superhighway within your body. The communication of all your cells based in a water medium. The transmission of all your hormones, which is part of your endocrine system, water. The transmission of all your neurotransmitters, which is part of your central nervous system. Without water, not happening. And your endocrine system and your central nervous system are integrated largely due to your hypothalamus within your brain. That's the control center. We won't get into that now. In the meantime, take the knowledge you've gained from this video, go out there and get the best water. Treat your body how it deserves to be treated and live optimally so you can create the world you want to live in. See you next time.